Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jumie. You can call me Jumie. I'm so excited to take you on this journey with me. This channel, it's all about nursing, my career, my experiences, and everything in between. Whether you're a fellow nurse, a nursing student, or just curious about what it's like to work in healthcare, you've come to the right place. A little about me. I started my nursing journey after I retired from the army. I served for over 20 years. Transitioning into healthcare was a big leap, let me tell you. But it's been one of the most rewarding decisions of my life. From nursing school to my current role, I've learned so much and grown both personally and professionally. And I want to share that with you. Through this channel, I hope to share the highs and lows of being a nurse, give you a real look into what this career is all about. So what can you expect here? What can you expect from me? Number one, nursing tip and advice, whether you're just starting out or looking to grow in your career. Number two, my personal experiences and stories from the front line of healthcare. Grab your tea, we're going to be talking about it. Number three, tips for surviving and thriving in nursing school. And lastly, one of the most important things for us as a nurse, we're going to be talking about it here. And number four, practical guidance and ways on balancing work, life, and self-care as a nurse. My goal is to create community here where we can connect, learn from each other, and celebrate all the incredible things nurses do. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you don't miss a video. And if there's anything specific you love to hear from me or you want to talk about, let me know in the comment section below. I can't wait to share more of my journey with you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.